Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder of our intermediate class we taught on the 22nd of February. We did an arm jive swizzle, a swizzle barrier, an archy rollover, and a push spin hook. There'll be links in the description below, so if you need a more detailed teach of each of those, but if you just need a run through, that's what this is for. So we started off with the arm jive barrier, where we went offer, left, right, shoulder. We brought the lady round into a swizzle. We switched to the other side, went back to the first side, and we went to the swizzle barrier. So we went through, back out, all the way round, did an archy rollover, whoosh, all the way through, and finished with a push spin hook, hook, return spin, and catch. And that's it. Hope that's helpful. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And thank you if you do that, because it does help promote the channel as well. So thumbs up. Music recommendation at the end is something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.